am belong to Uttarakhand. I am graduate from Kumar University, Nainital. I joined Max in March 2021 as a training associate. When I joined Max, I did not know anything about the retail industries, but thanks for the Max to gone me this opportunity to chance my career. All the staff and all the managers, including our CHR, are too supportive, and the environment is so friendly here that I never feel that I am working with some strangers. There are lots of training and programs we made to teach us through. Then I learned a lot. This is my first job, and being fresher, I had focused to my knowledge, and I learned more. This organization is too good that everything retail to staff is being celebrated. I would like to thanks for my organization.